Hey everyone, welcome back to the Free Cook channel. Today's video about the favorite foods of two of the greatest football players of all time, Ronaldo and Messi. In this video, I'll checking their diets, exploring not only their favorite meals, but also their overall eating habits.
So, if you're a fan of these two legendary footballers and want to know what foods they love or what their daily meal plans, then don't miss this video. Before we dive into the video, hit that like button and subscribe to join the family. Your support helps me keep creating amazing content for you. Let's jump right in.
Believe it or not, even world-famous footballers like Ronaldo and Messi have comfort foods they love. And the best part? You don't need a Michelin-starred chef or a fancy kitchen to make them. With just a few simple ingredients, you can whip up their favorite dishes in no time. But what is Cristiano Ronaldo's favorite food?
What is your favorite food?
I have good appetite. As my friends say that I have good appetite, but I don't have favorite, but I will mention one. Bacalhau à Brás. It's something that people should Google it to see, because they can learn Portuguese and they can learn the plate that I like it. Bacalhau à Brás.
It's a traditional Portuguese dish that's surprisingly easy to make. And I've listed the ingredients for this dish in the caption. In order to make this dish, you must first prepare the codfish. Soak the dried codfish in plenty of water, changing the water a few times until it's softened. Shred the codfish into flakes, and then fry the potatoes. Fry the sliced potatoes in olive oil until golden brown and crispy. Drain on paper towels. After that, sauté the onions and garlic. In a separate pan, sauté the chopped onions and minced garlic in olive oil until softened. And you should add the codfish. Add the shredded codfish to the pan with the onions and garlic. Cook for a few minutes until heated through. You can scramble the eggs. In a separate bowl, whisk the eggs until smooth. And the end, you should combine ingredients. Pour the scrambled eggs over the codfish and potato mixture. Stir gently to combine. And your bacalhau à Brás is ready. Ronaldo's daily meals are pretty regimented. He starts his day with cheese, ham, and low-fat yogurt. For lunch, he switches it up between grilled chicken and a salad, and tuna with olives, eggs, and tomatoes. For snacks, he loves fresh fruit and avocado. And for dinner, he often has fresh swordfish with a salad for his first meal, followed by steak and calamari. All that protein, combined with his serious workouts, definitely helps him maintain that incredible physique.
Yeah, boy.
Now, let's talk about Lionel Messi's favorite food. Milanesa napolitana is an Argentinian Italian dish. Milanesa napolitana is a variation on the breaded fried steak called milanesa that is popular in Argentina and Uruguay. Milanesa alla napolitana does not originate from Milan or Naples. It's thought to have been invented in the 1940s at a Buenos Aires restaurant called Napoli. Milanesa napolitana is similar to veal parmesan, but with South American touches. After the steak is breaded and fried, it's topped with a slice of ham, tomato sauce, and melted mozzarella cheese, and served with French fries. Leftovers make great sandwiches, especially when paired with a soft but crusty roll. You'll find all the ingredients listed in the caption, so take a look.
While there are similarities, Messi's daily nutrition plan varies somewhat from Ronaldo's. Messi's diet plan is crucial for his optimal performance. It includes whole foods, nutrient-dense meals, lean protein sources like fish and chicken, and complex carbohydrates such as sweet potatoes and brown rice. He maintains energy levels by following a strict meal schedule and consuming smaller meals throughout the day. Messi also prioritizes natural sources of sweetness like fruits and honey while limiting sugary and processed foods. This is all part of Lionel Messi's diet, including his strict adherence to a balanced and nutritious meal plan known as Lionel Messi's diet, which, along with his rigorous training regimen, plays a crucial role in his success on the football field.
I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to give me the energy to create more videos. And also, leave a comment and telling me your favorite food. Love you guys.